everybody, my name is Charlie and welcome back to my Photoshop lessons. And today we will be talking about the sixth tool, which is Frame Tool. And this is what we're going to do as usual. This will be my sixth video. I'll introduce the tool, show you guys how to use the tool and apply it to example as always. And so let's look at the definition. Frame Tool creates placeholder for frames for image. So you create placeholder under frame, so a frame in a picture. Okay, so you can get easy access by clicking K on the keyboard. K. Okay, so the main object is still the ball. It is kind of boring. Okay, but in order to use this tool, first you got to have an independent layer. I usually do that, so I will be taking the ball again, draw my shape, and then get the shape, Control C and Control V. I will have another ball over here, and then now I'll create a frame. You guys could adjust the size. Oh, my bad. This is circular. There's two types, either square or circular shape. Yeah, and so like, oh, my bad, it's rectangular. And so when you create that rectangle, you got to pull the layer into the frame like that, and you can see it will create a small frame with a shape of square inside a bigger rectangle. And so you will need to resize it in any way you want, but you can see there are some errors, like the ball is not really circle because of the frame. And so now you gotta adjust it any way you want, like that, pull it down, but the gray line is the edges of the frame inside the bigger shape, and there you go. And you could make like a new shape of the ball by changing it smaller than the frame, like cropping it, probably. Yeah, you could call it cropping. Yeah, it is a really efficient tool you can use. For example, if you want to cut something out in the background, or you could just adjust things around like this. I want the ball just to be half like that, and then later I will Control T and then rotate it around. Oops, that's not the wrong way. I mean, that's the wrong way to do that. And so that is how you do that. So let me see, crop. Oh, it's just through there. So you could move the arrows around like the crop tool. That, move it. You could move it around too. So you could make the shape of the ball unique and weird too. But that's the rectangular shape. Now I will create a circular shape frame that will fit the ball more, obviously. And so this is my first layer. Let's do circular, like that, and then you can see a circular frame inside a rectangle. And now you pull the layer in again, and there you have it. And now you're gonna reshape it. Click on the gray lines and then start reshaping it. Usually I will reshape it to the gray line first, and then I'll adjust things later, like that. And the ball is normal now, and if you move this a little bit, the shape will try to remain circular, but other parts will be changed. Unlike the rectangle shape where it's just there, it doesn't change. And by using this, you could turn the ball into an egg easily. Like that. Now I created an egg, just smaller egg. There you go. yeah, and I have successfully created an egg. Oh, I could also like use the move tool to put the layer around. As you can see, the blue lines are moving. So you could adjust the angle you want like that, and yeah, pretty cool, huh? And there you have it, an egg. Right there. And yeah, that is how you use the frame tool. So it creates a frame for a bigger picture for you to probably either to change the shape, zoom in, or crop. That's just a little bit upgrade of the crop tool. But the crop tool is always better. Alright, that's the end of the video today. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time. Peace.